So hi again and again, everyone. So here's my husband to be.
To be. Oh, she's trying to get rid of me.
Stop! I'm on the video. Anyways, guys, it's been 2 days na hindi kami nakapag-video because I've been working so hard. My husband has been working so hard. I got sick. He got sick. So, wala kaming talagang time na i-video. Pero, still, we're doing bit by bit dito sa kwarto na to. And as previously, how do you call this? Update is, tapos na yung kwarto. So, dito naman sa CR, update natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, dito, yung tiles, okay na. Nilagyan namin to kahapon ng towel holder, tissue holder. So, this is like an hotel now. So, Edward just finished this wall. So, the reason I need to take a video right now, because tomorrow he's gonna cover this with a compound. Yes. Compound. Yan. Yan. Maganda na yung kwarto, guys. So, mamaya na kasi may mga gamit ng tao. But anyways, that's the room. Alright. So, yan everyone. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator.
Yes. Gikan sa trabaho, no? Gikan sa trabaho, nag-duty na sa tadiri sa balay.
Nako sa shower area o nag-tiles ko.
Dako no kayong unggoyo. 30 kilos na raban na 28 kilos na raban ni siya, 10 months old. Kali. 1, 2, 3. Come here. July 18. Oh, yan yung update natin sa bathroom and shower. Yan, nagkulay na si Edward. Kinulayan niya ng kulay sky blue. Yan yung papalitan namin na window soon. Tcharan! Tapos na, guys. Mga badet. Tapos na. Yan, iba-vacuum na yan. Pero perfect na yan dyan. Pero, oh my gosh. Ang kahago na ako og ni Edward, nagbunga na rin. Hard work paid off. So, muna na siya, ang among nahuman. Si Edward ang tatapos niyan bukas. At i-change niya to kasi na kasalanan ko talaga to. Nabundak yung chaser. Ano ba yun? So, yan, nabuak. So, papalitan niya yan bukas. Pero tapos na. Tapos na rin. For how many days? Yan. Dito din. See, before wala yung toilet holder. Ay, tissue holder. Pero ngayon nilagyan ni Edward. At yung update din sa pintuan. Ito na siya. Oh, ganun. Open, close na yan, guys. So, yeah, that's it. Mga badet. It's looking good. Oh, that's still okay, or you want, is it?
It's fresh. You can wipe it off. Here, honey. Here.
Because this like this is okay. There's...
Either wipe it off or whatever, but don't. Now you can use your finger to trowel it if you
That's
want.
what I'm doing. I like better the finger. I just want, because there's like a gap.
That's what I'm saying. Your eyes are better than mine right now.